पहले पूछने तो दीजिए। मैं सुबह ही उनको बोल रही थी कि करण, अगर इफ नॉट मी, प्लीज विन गेट द ट्रॉफी होम. Nobody is perfect. Hi, this is Chum Darang and you're watching me on Bollywood Live.
Hello, Bollywood Life viewers. I am Sanskriti, your host, and today we have with us Chum Darang, who won Hearts in Big Boss 18. Welcome to Bollywood Life.
Thank you so much for having me and for your sweet words. So much.
So पहली बात तो सबको ये जानना है कि जैसे आपने कहा he hasn't asked me yet. So अगर पूछ भी लेंगे अभी तो what would be your reaction?
पहले पूछने तो दीजिए। अभी अभी मैं कैसे बताऊँ? पहले let the question come first and yeah, we'll see what the answer is.
So you had said during the weekend का वार कि एक जो confusion है आपको there's someone outside and तो वो confusion क्या आपका कहीं हद तक clear हुआ है?
अभी तो मैं निकली हूँ बाहर। अभी let me just take a breather, फिर आराम से will think on that.
Okay, so another good thing about this journey of yours was Shrutika, but there was a thing that आपकी दोस्ती में भी एक दरार आई थी, but it is said कि मतलब कभी ना कभी निशान रह जाते. Will that be the case here or you guys have forgotten everything?
ऐसा कुछ it was, हम दोनों ने बहुत एक छोटा सा चीज़ को बहुत बड़ा बना दिया था and we are mature enough to handle things maturely. तो ऐसा कुछ दरार वरार कुछ नहीं, उल्टा our relationship has grown even stronger.
Also, there were things said about you कि you don't deserve to be in the top 5 and you are here right now. Do you think that this is a perfect reply now?
Yeah, like how my personality is, I don't talk much, but when I talk, I talk. So this is me being in the top 5 is something that मैं नहीं बोलूँगी पर मैंने करके दिखाया. Is a reply.
Okay. Also the thing is Karan के बारे में बहुत सारी चीज़ें बोली जाती है about his marriages and all and he has said he does not get emotionally attached. So do you think this thing will somewhere stop you in deciding your thing?
I mean, somebody asked me this question. So people are different emotionally, like person to person differ करता है. And if he's a certain way, he is a certain way. And there is something called unconditional love, ना? And nobody is perfect. सब इंसान perfect नहीं होता. To err is human. तो कोई ना कोई इंसान कभी ना कभी कुछ गलती करता है and let him be him.
और तो ये सवाल तो बनता है कि भाई जीत चुका है वो. What would you say?
Oh my god, I'm थोड़ा सा दुख है कहीं, but it's like very less कि मैं ट्रॉफी घर लेके नहीं जा पाई, but I'm so happy. मैं सुबह ही उनको बोल रही थी कि करण, अगर if not me, please win get the trophy home, and he did it. So deserving. I'm so happy and so thankful to God कि करण जीत गया and तो जनता उनको विनर बनाने के लिए I'm so happy.
Okay, so lastly जैसे करण ने कहा है Are you going to do खतरों के खिलाड़ी? Why are you being scared?
I'm scared because when I perform all in all. तो I'm scared कि what if टास्क के दौरान मुझे लग जाए कहीं, बस उसका डर है. Let's see. अभी तक ऐसा कुछ बात चला नहीं, but if it happens, it happens. I'll think about it.
We hope to see you with that show. And thank you so much for joining in and congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you to our viewers. Stay tuned to Bollywood Life.